Have you ever wondered who invented paper? How did humans first create the thin sheets that we use every day for books, notebooks, newspapers, and important documents? Did a king invent paper? Did a scientist create it? Or did paper slowly evolve over thousands of years? Today, we'll uncover the fascinating story behind one of humanity's most important inventions, paper. To find the answer, we must travel back thousands of years. Long before paper existed, people still needed ways to record information. Ancient humans painted symbols on cave walls. Later, civilizations wrote on stone tablets, clay tablets, animal skins, and even pieces of metal. Ancient Egyptians developed papyrus, a writing material made from the papyrus plant. Although papyrus looked somewhat like paper, it was made differently and was not true paper as we know it today. Writing was possible, but creating books and storing information remained difficult and expensive. Around 2,000 years ago, during the Han Dynasty in ancient China, a government official named Cai Lun greatly improved the process of making paper. He used materials such as tree bark, hemp, old cloth, and fishing nets. The materials were soaked in water and crushed into a soft pulp. The pulp was spread into thin layers and allowed to dry. The result was lightweight, flexible, and much cheaper than earlier writing materials. Paper had been transformed into a practical invention. Its impact on human history would be enormous. The new method of making paper gradually spread throughout China. Eventually, the knowledge traveled to other parts of Asia. Centuries later, paper-making techniques reached the Middle East. From there, paper spread into Europe. As paper became more available, books became easier to produce. Knowledge could be copied and shared more efficiently. The spread of paper helped education, science, literature, and trade grow on an unprecedented scale. Paper changed human civilization forever. People could keep records more easily. Governments could store information and communicate more efficiently. Writers could create books and preserve stories. Scientists could record discoveries and share ideas. Students could learn from written materials. Paper became one of the foundations of education and human progress. Without paper, much of human knowledge might never have survived. Today, paper exists almost everywhere. We use notebooks, textbooks, newspapers, packaging, greeting cards, money, and countless other paper products. Even in the digital age, paper remains an important part of everyday life. Although computers and smartphones have reduced some paper use, billions of sheets of paper are still produced every year. Paper continues to help people learn, communicate, and preserve information.